Right, guys, this is the Anycubic wash and cure device. Really handy to have if you're into resin modeling. Has two functions: wash and cure the models that you put in there. You put your model in there in the middle, and it does rotate. So you have 360-degree function, and then you have the UV lighting at the back there, which is staggered to give better coverage. You have easy functions at the top. You got at the front, cure and wash. You just switch between the two, and then you can wash. If you go to wash, you can go up to 60 minutes with the wash feature, and then you switch back to cure if you want to do some curing. So really nice. It actually looks nice in the workshop because it's a center feature. I really like the design, and if you're really into resin modeling, 3D printing, this is what you need, and you will love it. It's got two functions that you highly need for 3D modeling.